ground. Holding point runway 21 right.
Contact tower on 128.120.
Roger. Contact tower on 128.120.
Ground. Sierra. Pick.
Tower. Good day. Holding point runway 21 right. Ready for departure.
Wind 304 degrees, 8 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 21 right. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway 21 right. Call you back passing 3,000 feet.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seat belts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode or personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
Flaps. $80 knots. V1. Rotate. Positive rate. Gear up. Flaps. Tower. Leaving 3,000 feet.
Airborne at 40. Contact. Radar on 118.950.
Contact. Radar. On. 118.950. Radar. 4,900 feet. Inbound. Delta Echo.
Radar contact. Waypoint. Delta Echo heading 209er.